We operate a 24-hour plumbing service in Milton Keynes. Our local Plumbers in Milton Keynes specialises in fixing your plumbing problems. We fix immediate plumbing disasters, as well as carrying out preventative problems that are likely to arise in the future. All our work is guaranteed. We are fully insured. For a free quotation with no hidden charges, just give us a call or email us. We look forward to being of service to you. We are your local 24-hour plumber in Milton Keynes.